Hey there! Today, I want to talk to you about the power of mindful discipline in virtual reality and how it can truly transform your mindset. In virtual reality, we have the opportunity to practice mindful discipline in a whole new way. By immersing ourselves in these virtual worlds, we can train our minds to focus, stay present, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. One of the key benefits of incorporating mindful discipline in VR is the ability to challenge our thoughts and beliefs. As we navigate through virtual environments, we are faced with obstacles that test our patience and resilience. By approaching these challenges with a mindful mindset, we can learn to respond with clarity and grace, rather than react impulsively. So, next time you step into the world of virtual reality, remember the transformative power of mindful discipline. By staying present, focused, and open-minded, you can truly shift your mindset and experience a greater sense of peace and well-being. Uplifting ending sentence. Embrace the journey of mindful discipline in virtual reality and watch as your mindset transforms before your eyes.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about why self-driving cars are taking over the roads. Firstly, self-driving cars are becoming increasingly popular because of their safety features. These vehicles are equipped with advanced sensors and technology that can detect obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles on the road. This helps reduce the number of accidents caused by human error, making our roads safer for everyone. Secondly, self-driving cars are also more efficient than traditional vehicles. They are able to optimize their routes, speed, and energy consumption, resulting in lower fuel consumption and reduced emissions. This is not only better for the environment but also helps to alleviate traffic congestion in cities. In conclusion, self-driving cars are revolutionizing the way we travel by offering a safer and more efficient alternative to traditional vehicles. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more self-driving cars on the roads in the near future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the latest innovations in transportation. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 tips for developing habits in self-driving cars. Let's dive in. First tip is to always fasten your seat belt. Even though the car is driving itself, it's important to stay safe in case of any unexpected situations. So, make it a habit to buckle up before starting your journey. Next, try to keep your hands near the steering wheel. This will allow you to take control if needed and also help you stay alert while the car is driving itself. It's a good practice to maintain a sense of control even in autonomous vehicles. Remember, developing habits in self-driving cars is all about creating a safe and comfortable experience for yourself. So, buckle up, stay alert, and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 simple ways to mindfully boost your neural networks. Firstly, practicing mindfulness meditation can help increase neural connections in the brain. By focusing on the present moment, you can improve your attention span and cognitive abilities. Next, engaging in regular physical exercise is another way to boost your neural networks. Exercise not only improves blood flow to the brain but also promotes the growth of new brain cells. Incorporating a brain-boosting diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins can also enhance neural connections.
Hey there, makers! Today, I want to talk to you about the art of mindfully breaking focus to create some truly epic 3D printing masterpieces. When we're working on a project, it's easy to get so absorbed in the details that we forget to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. But sometimes, it's in those moments of pause that the most creative ideas come to us. Main story point 1. By allowing ourselves to break focus and take a mental break, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and ideas that we may not have considered before. So don't be afraid